Hey, how you doing? This is Jason Matthews, your financial guru, and today's episode is what we do when our family member has passed away and what should we do with their retirement. But before we get started, make sure you hit that subscribe button to learn more, get better content, and to improve your life. So today we're going to talk about what happens when a family member passes away. So let's say your family member has $1 million. This $1 million could be in a 401k plan, an IRA, or anything that's in our tax deferred bucket. And if you ever read my book, Age of Self-Reliance, which you can pick up on Amazon, Barnes & Nobles, we talk about the tax deferred bucket. If your family member has $1 million, you can do a couple things with those funds in that bucket. The first thing we do is we can cash out that $1 million. I get the $1 million from the retirement plan. My mother, my father, my husband, my wife passed away. They have this $1 million. We can cash out that $1 million. And if we cash out that $1 million, this $1 million has never been taxed. So with that saying, we could cash out that $1 million, and guess what we can do? We could cash out, and when we cash out, we're going to have to pay taxes on all those funds. Now, if you have a strategy on what you're trying to do with that $1 million and you're ready to cash out and pay the taxes, great for you. If you're trying to go to Jamaica and live out and spend all the money right there in your house or your dream home, go ahead and pay those taxes. But knowing if you pay all these taxes, you're only going to have about $650,000 into your pocket for the year. And at the same time, you could put your rest of your income in a higher tax bracket. Now, the second thing you do is, let me move changes, is you know what, if you're a smart person, or let's say you don't need all the cash at once, what we could do is we could tell the financial institution we want to put this $1 million. I don't care if it's a 401k plan, I don't care if it's an IRA, I don't care if it's a 403b or 457. We would tell them, I want to put this $1 million in what we call an inherited IRA. And what the inherited IRA says is, I don't want the $1 million because I don't want to pay the taxes on that $1 million. So what I want to do is I want to get a stream income for my rest of my life on this money. And the streaming income is all about what they call is off your life expectancy table. So when you open up an inherited IRA account, you can roll over these funds into the inherited IRA, and they might say, hey, based off your life expectancy, every year you're going to get automatically, let's say for an example, $50,000 a year. All right? So the rest of your life, you get $50,000, and you're only paying taxes not on this million, but on the amount that you inherited. So if they say your life expectancy is $50,000, so you pay taxes on that $50,000, which could, at the end of the day, put you in a lower tax bracket. Okay? So now that money's now you're putting your rest of your income, either you're working right now, and this money in a lower tax bracket than compared to taking out the full amount. At the same time, this inherited IRA should be growing. It can grow aggressively or conservatively at how you want it. Now, a lot of people might say, Jason, you know what? What happens if I would need to take out more than what they tell me I'm taking out automatically every year that the requirement for me to take with my requirement on distribution with this inherited? Fine, that is great. You could take out more than that. But the worst case scenario is you have to say, I am taking out systematic withdrawals every year of whatever my life expectancy is. Anything above that is great. You could do it and you have those options. So you have the flexibility of this, but knowing that every time you take something out of this, you are going to have to pay taxes on it. Now, if you have any other questions, make sure you give us a call at 510-229-7608. Email it at matthewsfinancial@gmail.com, or make a comment. Tell us about your thoughts. Tell us what you would like to hear more in the future. Once again, my name is Jason Matthews. I'm your financial guru. Hope this is great for any of you guys who are receiving any money from your parents, your spouses, your brothers or sisters, or any money you might get from a lost loved ones. Anyways, have a great day. Talk to you later.